a writer. This music is an introduction. Take that money, start my own movie company. 40 million, 80 million, that don't do me nothing. Trying to get $1 billion, now we talking something. The money's on the poker table, but I'm not bluffing. Do this shit on my own, don't owe nobody nothing. My persistence keep my competition disappearing. Superman of hip hop, all these niggas villains. Bruce Wayne, Batman, all these niggas is jokers. Every man for theyself in this land that we walk in. Couldn't touch my style if you had MC Hammer pens. The world is mine, you could read it on the Goodyear blimp. Don't serve no cocaine, no Tony Montana shit. I said your dreams of Freddy Krueger, let him dice you and he slice you up. Want a feature with Rick Carpet, well the price went up. $500,000 for a verse. I do the whole song without a curse word, so the radio station ain't got a beep and blur. My mind is a dictionary, can't fuck with my vocabulary. 3 a.m. in the morning, I'm drinking cold red. The Mountain Dew keep a nigga from nodding his head. We gon' see $1 billion before a nigga's dead. The journey is long, I see the vision ahead. Jesus Christ and laid out the map. Latitude, longitude, pull out the compass. Ain't shit in this life that a nigga can't accomplish. All these trap rappers, man, they all garbage. Mumbling they verses, I think they retarded, but who am I to judge? They getting money, so I guess the shit works, but they are not on my level. I'm a 50 cal gun, you a Desert Eagle. I'm just trying to uplift my black people. Show white America that we blacks, we are equal. Drink my coffee black, no sugar, no equal. Can't forget slavery, what they did to my people. We at war, you gotta plan it with your mind. Blueprint plans to take back what originally was mine.